In this video, I'm going to give you a little tour of Schoology. You guys are probably already pretty familiar with Schoology because of at-home learning from last semester, but I just wanted to give you a little bit of insight before we get started. This is my dashboard, and your dashboard will look very similar, except for your courses are going to be named differently. This is always going to be, this blue 7th grade Texas History Mrs. Phillips is always going to be my picture on the screen for your course in my class. So all you have to look for is that. You can simply click on it. All of my sections are linked together. That's why there's this big long title, but yours is just going to look like your section, okay? Here's my Teacher Go page. This is a quick and easy way to access things. There's an About Me section linked. All of these are linked. If you click on the words down here, About Me, there's an announcement section that takes you directly to our Wellborn Warhawk announcements, daily announcements or weekly announcements. Here's my syllabus. You can click in here, read through my syllabus. It's not long. It's just a 2-page syllabus, quick and easy read. We'll go through that later in a different video later this week. Here's a tutorial schedule. We'll also go through that information later this week, so you'll understand how tutorials are going to work virtually. Here's the Wellborn Middle School homepage website and our year at a glance. This means all of the information, this has all of the information that we're going to be learning throughout the year and a pacing guide, so you'll know exactly when we're going to learn that, okay? You should see week of 8/18 through 8/21, which is this week, first week of school. If you click on that, it will take you to this new page, okay? Again, we are in course materials, okay? I don't think I said that originally, but we are in course materials over here on the left-hand toolbar. Week at a glance is right here. Week at a glance is always going to be there for you, so you know exactly what to expect for the week. It's going to be broken down by day. Tuesday is today. This is an About Me section. Get to know your teacher, practice it. Okay, so let's talk about the learn it, practice it, share it, prove it. This is our system here at Wellborn Middle School for at-home learning. This is actually the system for every single teacher, so this will look very familiar to you if you have already done at-home learning classes already today in other subjects. You will just simply come down here because today is Tuesday, and you will click on Tuesday Module 1. That will take you directly to a little snippet of what we're doing today. You will always have an objective, so today your objective is, I will get to know my Texas history teacher and familiarize myself with Schoology. We're going to do a few things today that will help you get to know me and help you practice what you've learned through Schoology, okay? So Learn It is the video right here. Mrs. Phillips, it says watch this video. You just click into that. All of my videos will always be linked above them. Sometimes your browser or your setup will not allow you to watch the video embedded into Schoology. So you just simply click this link and it will take you outside of Schoology to watch the video. But we're going to head back into Schoology because you've probably already watched that video. We are going to now take a look at the other parts of today, okay? So practice it, familiarize yourself with Schoology. This is the example video that you're watching currently, and then share it. There's going to be a flip grid that you will share it through. This flip grid will require you to set up an account through Flipgrid. You will simply put in your student email address, which is your 1000 number at csisd.org. And then you will either use your standard login password. That's my suggestion, to use your standard login password, or create a new password for Flipgrid. And it's as simple as that. There will be a prompt to ask you to read the questions and then answer them using the Flipgrid video. If you have any other questions, you may simply shoot me a message through the messaging app in Schoology. It's quick and easy, and I typically respond to those messages the exact same day. All right, now it's your turn. Go through Schoology, familiarize yourself with everything. Click on all of the toolbar links on the right-hand side to take a look at what those pages look like. And then go to module, take a look at the Flipgrid module and answer the Flipgrid question.